So you need to play. Good shot. Seems like a boundary. Picked it up on the leg side.
It took 11 deliveries for Pakistan and for Imran Nazir.
Difficult when you see the bowlers can do different variations.
Tata bye-bye, says Imran Nazir. What a hit into the stands. The first maximum for Pakistan.
You deserve for that punishment if you are bowling like that. Great hit by Imran Nazir. If you keep landing in a good area. Dravid from India, he was brilliant too. Azharuddin, the big one, Shoaib Malik on the leg side. Shoaib is a very good against the spinners, and he got that maximum on this delivery.
What a strike. He read that back of lane delivery quite early. It's a back-to-back maximums. They are back in the hunt. What a strike by Malik. He started off really well, Khalid, but just lost his plot.
That is vintage Imran. Ishtaq's got a smile on his face. It's also an honor to be hit by Imran. What a shot, down on one knee. We've seen him do that in the past, and he continues to do that.
Full toss, outside off, and driven. Textbook, 4 runs.
That was a poor delivery, full toss. And that gap picking, which he's been does that once again. The scoreboard looks pretty good from the previous game, I would say. Look at that. Again, that width on offer for him. It was very easy to pick that up. No
wicket. So I don't think there's an issue. Plus Maroof bowls in, first delivery off stump line, and picked it in the same area that he favours the most. Maximum.
That's a biggie. And as I mentioned, the helmet has come off, so you can expect those sixes. And Imran Nazir just got to the reach of it and towards the leg side, the mid-wicket, his region, picking up those big hits.
Dragging it from wide, outside off. I think that's a good line to bowl to Imran. Keeping it a little...
Coming in very bold of him as well.
Shot and wide and smacked over point. The speaker would have got some damage on it. With some maximum coming in from the willow of Shoaib Malik. Maroof Merchant taken for runs.
Well, if you don't have an insurance, and yes, just towards the tyre, so I don't think there's going to be much of a damage. But Shoaib Malik has got his region picked up.
Wide outside off. Is inviting him to play there. Mind, it's a very...
So you get a wicket, you are minus 16 on the scoreboard.
Playing it straight, aerially, and beyond the reach of the fielder there. Another maximum. Both these batters are clinical with their shots, irrespective of where you bowl.
Imran Nazir is such a delight to watch. 2 full, and he just gives you that damage on it. 73, 2 more deliveries.
Onto the onside this time, not the complete reach. Just be a single, I reckon.
Minus 16. Last ball.
Now played it over the bowler's head. Will be a boundary. Beautifully played straight and will get an 8 run to get done with the overs. Innings done. Fireball delivery gets a boundary. And the first fireball delivery of the first innings across 3 games that has not fetched a wicket.
It's also the highest total of the day. It's the day 1 of the World Cricket Festival F2 Double Wicket World Cup, and all smiles for Shoaib Malik and Imran Nazir. They've also not used their super sub as a batter. They've done the job quite well.
Spinning the ball, going away from the left-hander.
This time getting the ball to move into the left-hander. Will get a single. UAE open their account with a single. Mind you, nothing on the fireball because more often than not, it's the bowler who's on the receiving end. Aerially played. Is there someone to take that? Yes, it is. Minus 8, right up. And we've been talking about the off-break bowlers being a little ineffective against the right-handed batter. But things have changed over here, Saqib bhai.
Shoaib Malik is a very experienced bowler. He knows, how to change the variations. He reads the batsman really well, and he's a very intelligent, fine bowler. Did really well so far. I think it's another up in the air, and I think looks like it. He got an drop catch. That was simple dolly catch.
Now, I don't know where he's going. Pakistan, Shoaib Malik. Khalid this time going a little more straighter. Another chance, another wicket. UAE are gifting wickets in an attempt to try and get those big sixes. Shoaib Malik has a few tricks up his sleeve.
You need to play proper cricket against a proper bowler. You can't really just play like that. And
another chance. Is there one more? Oh yes, this is catching practice. You don't get simpler catches even while you're training.
I can't believe why they are playing against the spin. I think they should have tried to play with the spin. Then there is a chance that you can connect really well. You can get some maximum runs. If you're playing against the spin, you will have a top edge. You will get out.
Now this is some... beautiful. Back-to-back wides, and then the off stump is pegged back. He just wanted to hit it, wanted to go for that huge slog. And he messes it up again. Khalid Shah, what have you done?
UAE under huge pressure. Head, where is the head position? Where he was looking up in the sky. The
these days are so good. This time aerially played, and again another catch. It's not a good day there for Khalid Shah. UAE lose their fifth. They're just one wicket away from being bowled out.
Only 1.3 overs gone. Minus 31. Can you believe that? Which sort of cricket they are playing? UAE at the moment. 1 minute they were brilliant, and another minute they are playing pathetic cricket, honestly.
Just 1 wicket left. Ahmed, the substitute, comes into the attack. He pulled Merchant towards square leg. A much needed maximum, just the right time to introduce a fellow co-commentator. Enjoying the stage and the tournament, Harman.
Yeah, absolutely. Day one, and it's all about excitement and entertainment. We've already seen sixes being run away, those big hits, and that one being hit away by Mahroof as well. And talk about those games, those wickets fallen, minus 28. Then now you're on minus 23. This could be a chance. Field underneath, and that's going to be the end of the innings as well. UAE are done and dusted in this game. 6 wickets have fallen. And Pakistan has won this game. Well, all class of Shoaib Malik, Imran Nazir, and the super sub.
Absolutely. The magic of Shoaib Malik and Imran Nazir. Rolling the years back. 2 champion players. What a start for Pakistan. And UAE, after starting this tournament on a positive note, they have faced a